Need help, need help. Hi, sir. I'm calling my
Let's go. Come on. This way, guys. Yeah, probably. Unless you guys did something crazy. You didn't do anything crazy, did you? No, you should be using theft charge. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Where do we go? In here, guys. Why do you have to go in? Come on. Because that's the way it is. Have a seat. Got anything on you I need to know about? Why's your hand in your pockets?
It's not falling.
I'm going to pat you down real quick, alright?
That's cool.
Nothing on you was going to poke me, stab me?
No. It's just, yeah. Just take them out.
Okay, go ahead and see.
A routine Walmart theft call. 2 suspects detained. One pulled a trigger pointed at an officer's face. The gun jammed. The officer lived. Here is what the law says about everything that followed. The detention was lawful direct surveillance, established probable cause under the Fourth Amendment. The pat-down was authorized under Terry v. Ohio. Reasonable suspicion of crime, reasonable belief of a weapon. Both elements were met. Legal authority was not the problem. The problem was execution. The officer missed the suspect's fanny pack. That pouch contained the murder weapon. Terry does not merely permit a pat-down, it requires one thorough enough to serve its purpose. This one did not meet that standard.
Nothing on you that I need to know about?
I do have this, this shit I stole. This bag and shit.
What's in there?
They only pay for the card. Yeah.
Go ahead and see for me. Anything else in there I should know about, my man? Yeah, come on.
I have a valid prescription for that. If you'd like to see that, you can pull that up like on my shirt.
Okay.
Or like my pharmacy, you can see it's prescribed. Are they good? You stole?
Katarina?
Right.
What's your name?
What's up?
What's your name?
Xavier.
Xavier what?
What do I have to do my last name?
Because, my man, if you don't cooperate, I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
Xavier Rose. I'll give you my real social.
I figured that was not right. Well, thank you for that.
Are we going to jail?
Now, let something crazy happen.
I told her not to steal it, bro.
You didn't steal it, so nothing else on her. You watched you walk over and put an item in the bag off the shelf.
As a date of birth, please.
5550.
Hey! Hey!
No! No, shit!
Get back! Get back!
No! Dang, please stop!
Need help, need help. Give us your hands. Now. Don't touch him.
Do not touch anything.
I'm not.
Come on, bro. Just clean.
Don't say that.
Clean, bro.
Well, no, there's somebody some units.
Don't put it up the front. That was...
193, also send me supervisor.
We adjusted standards, so we listen for lower.
You better just a little bit. Thank you, bro. This is the only reason why I did that, bro. Because I want to run, bro.
That's so much worse than so.
Bro, can you just shoot me? Seriously, say that. I'm in handcuffs, bro. I'm not just doing it. Hey, let me ask you a question. You don't have to beat me up like that, man. Good?
Yeah.
Just shoot me.
So we're almost down. You good?
Huh? I'm not getting up. Yeah, good. Look, that's some hard.
We're almost to Hurry's Harmon.
This will be fun, yes. She with him? Yeah. She's the same. You don't have anything on you, right?
That's it. Right around.
Copy.
Just the tank. Guns over there.
Chill it, Any car not out of Walmart, you can slow down.
What about you now? So, do you have any weapon on you?
No. I still my phone.
What's that?
Oh, no, it's in my phone. I'm sorry. It's in this phone.
False name. Good money. Yeah. I mean, he was real close to getting shot. Pat him down to him, but you want her in a cruiser? Yeah.
That's my stuff.
We'll get it for him. We'll get it.
Okay.
It is?
Good?
Probably have to clear the room out so we can talk. Let's go do that.
245.
One female detained.
Pull down. You want to grab my face and pull it in?
One female detained at 13th.
I saw it, though. I just barely saw it get it, and then pulled it out, and I was sitting right there. It was like this. Pulls it, and it's quick. So I jump up, Conrad, and the backwards, I couldn't get a shot off.
Do you have one in the chamber?
Yeah? I don't know if you have one in the chamber.
I'll go grab my camera and take pictures of all
I don't know if this is something they want BCI for, but I mean, there's no evidence really, but
I mean, it's attempted murder.
it is attempted. He would have. Oh, he would have got me for sure. For a simple. Well, he had a warrant that he tried to lie about. Yeah.
Do you have a laser on it? When he pulled it out?
Oh, yeah.
Did it shine anything?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because that was the first thing I saw.
There's man's loaded.
Well, he racked it. He like pulled the trigger with the racket. Conrad like came over because I got up and I was like this. Conrad's on like get off of him, but then the kid gave up. I'm gonna have to call. He got struck a couple times, but I don't think he had his head covered.
Good. What's happened?
He pointed right at my face and pulled the trigger.
Where'd we got it?
Under the seat.
Oh, wow. Who all was in here?
All of us. Well, 3 AP and me.
All right. You're out, so we'll do the investigation. Where they at? Where you guys?
Actual
Down here.
crossfire.
All right. Chill out over there for a minute.
He ended up tossing the gun?
No, he ended up dropping it because he went to rack it. As he racked it, Conrad tackled him and it fell down. Sarge, I don't know if you want the DV out here for this. Get these two for theft. Have them in here. They're cooperative. He's being kind of weird, but he hands me that full of pills.
Okay.
So I do pat him down, but I didn't get his pouch that he had. So as I'm sitting there, he lies about his name. Finally tells me it's been inquiry. Just told me he's got 881s. He's armed and dangerous. As soon as he does that, he pulls the gun out, puts it on my head, pulls the trigger, it doesn't go off. Conrad comes over here to tackle him. I draw. He ends up giving up. I couldn't take a shot because Conrad was on him, but gun's over there.
Newman lied about his identity, obstruction of official business. He concealed an active arrest warrant. His prior trafficking conviction made him a prohibited person under Title 18, United States Code, Section 922, subsection G, paragraph 1. Possessing that firearm was a federal felony before he ever drew it. Newman pointed the firearm at the officer's head and pulled the trigger. The magazine was unseated, the gun jammed. Under the Substantial Step Doctrine, Model Penal Code, Section 5.01, attempt requires only intent plus a substantial step toward commission. Both were present. The misfire is legally irrelevant. Charge: attempted murder of a law enforcement officer, 25 years to life in most jurisdictions. Add Title 18, Section 924, subsection C, firearm used in furtherance of drug trafficking carries a mandatory minimum 5 years consecutive. Federal involvement is not optional here. It is appropriate. The officer drew his weapon but did not fire. Conrad was in the line of fire. Under Graham versus Connor, 1989, force is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment of decision. Drawing was objectively reasonable. Withholding the shot was correct. Tennessee versus Garner prohibits deadly force, creating undue risk to third parties. Conrad tackled Newman as he attempted to rack the firearm for a second shot. That single act neutralized the threat and cleared the crossfire simultaneously. It is the decisive action of the encounter. Katerina, retail theft confirmed. 2 bullets recovered from her person. If she is a prohibited person under 922G, ammunition possession is a separate federal charge. Cooperation is a mitigating factor relevant to discretion, not to the underlying conduct.
Okay. Leave.
I think they have the suspect.
Yeah, there's two suspects.
Okay, you guys. Okay, then you guys run them. Start getting. You got the male or female?
I think we have the female.
Get running all her stuff. Let's get her Form 8 going and get her out the county.
Her charge is going to be theft.
That's all. I was going to release him. That was the thing. Like, it was just going to be a summons.
Did she do anything during all this?
I mean, not the
Just the
gun part.
theft,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
She has
So
two
we can get her and cut her.
bullets
Like
in
give
her.
her.
Do you want
in her pocket?
She has 2 bullets.
Make sure she's not under disability. If she is here with that too.
Do you want DB to interview her though?
You know what? Yeah.
ID's already coming. We'll go to headquarters.
You good?
I'm good. He did get struck a couple times with my fist.
That's fine. That's, I mean, the fact that that's there, and did you undo the mag, or did that just come out?
Came out when it fell.
Okay, so he probably didn't have it seated, hence the jam. And
Who is he?
Shane Newman. He doesn't have. I didn't even get hear what his warrant's for.
I've arrested.
Nothing serious, so it's gonna be a lead.
Yeah. You know what? I arrested him. He had 237 Bromazolam pills. I got him with trafficking. He went to prison. Yep, those ones though. Those actually may be
Xannies.
no fentanyl. Yeah, that's exactly what he was selling when I pulled him over with that girl. Or it was a different girl. The girl was real skinny. He had 237 of them.
Did he have a gun too?
No, he just had to go.
well, we've got prior possession of drugs, illegal conveyance of weapon, items in the detention facility. That alone makes him under disability.
Well, I mean, I think his victim's going to be attempted murder of a
Well,
police
yeah,
officer.
but if I can also, I'm going to call GAMS, because if we can put anything federally on him too, we'll go that route also. You supposed to work today? Or is it your day off?
I took the day off. I was supposed to work Christmas sector there.
I'm happy you're all right, man.
Oh, it would have been my life.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, he pointed right at my face. Look at that.
He'll go to prison for 30 plus years. Hopefully they take it.
He tried to do it again. Look.
Thank God for Conrad.
Let's say I'm putting him in for an award. But I'll get
Citizen of the Year.
I was going to shoot him right here.
Yeah.
But Conrad was there. I guess I can turn this off.
Grades. Primary officer A-. Sound legal authority throughout. Exceptional force discipline under lethal threat. Deduction. The incomplete pat-down created the conditions for the entire escalation. Newman F. Attempted murder. Federal felon in possession. Drug trafficking. Obstruction. No mitigation applies. Katarina C. Cooperative, but confirmed theft and unexplained ammunition possession. Conrad A+. Decisive intervention at maximum danger. Outcome attributable in large part to his action. Lessons learned. One legal authority to pat down and tactical execution of a pat down are not the same thing. Missed areas mean missed weapons. 2 crossfire awareness overrides force authority. The right to shoot does not answer whether it is safe to shoot. 3 identity non-cooperation is a threat indicator, not a procedural inconvenience. Here it concealed a warrant, a conviction, and a firearm. 4, when firearms and drug trafficking combine, pursue federal charges from the outset. State charges address the act. Federal charges address the pattern. Let us know if there is a legal topic or interaction you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.